Windows Calculator on Windows 10 is more than just a basic calculator. It includes scientific calculations, programmer tools, graphing features, unit and currency converters, date calculations, and many other useful functions. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Windows Calculator on Windows 10 in 2026. First, click the Start menu, type Calculator, and open the app. If you use it often, you can also pin it to your Start menu or taskbar for faster access. Click the navigation menu in the upper left corner to view all available modes. You'll find standard, scientific, programmer, graphing, date calculation, and several converter tools designed for different tasks. Use standard mode for basic arithmetic, percentages, square roots, and memory functions. It's perfect for everyday calculations at home, school, or work. Switch to scientific mode for advanced mathematics, programmer mode for binary and hexadecimal calculations, or graphing mode to visualize equations. These tools make Calculator useful for students, developers, engineers, and technical users. Open the Converter section to convert currencies, temperatures, lengths, weights, data sizes, volumes, energy, and many other measurements. Everything is available inside the same application. Take advantage of features such as calculation history, keyboard shortcuts, memory functions, and always-on-top mode, if available in your version of Windows Calculator. These features help you complete calculations more efficiently while working in other applications. And that's how to use Windows Calculator on Windows 10 in 2026. Whether you're solving everyday math problems, working with advanced calculations, or converting units and currencies, Windows Calculator offers a powerful set of tools in one simple app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.